Hi everyone, my name is Erica. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on a yellow eyeshadow look. So if this is something you find interesting, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with priming our lids. So I'm going to prime my lids today with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'R, I believe, concealer in the color 230. That's how this looks. I've been really loving this concealer lately because it is super creamy. So we're gonna start off with that. So once that's applied, I'm gonna go ahead and usually I would set the concealer that I just placed, but since today I'm doing a bright look, I kind of wanted to really the concealer to really catch the color, so I'm not going to be setting it today. But I just want to comb out my eyebrows real quick. Sorry for all the noise. I'm gonna comb out my eyebrows because they are looking a little crazy right now since I do not have them done. I'm actually going to start doing my eyebrows after I do my foundation. Usually I do my brows before I do anything, but I'm going to start doing my brows after I finish my foundation because every time I do them first and then I do my foundation, I'm always getting foundation in them or powder, setting powder, and it just ruins my brows. And then I have to go back and fix them, and I am not about that life. I'm about saving time, so that's what I'm gonna start doing from now on and see how that works for me. How do you guys like my top? Isn't it so cute? It's from Old Navy, and it has, like, I don't know if you can see, but it has little cups, little glasses full of something. We're just gonna say lemonade because it's spring, and who the hell doesn't love lemonade in spring? And then you can see some little ice cubes in it, and it has a straw and then a little like coral umbrella. Okay, so since I have my lid primed already, like, see, no matter what concealer I use, it can be the best concealer ever, and it will still crease on me, like, no matter what. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna apologize in advance because I seriously have no clean brushes at the moment, and this video was just a spur of the moment type of, oh hey, let's film a spring makeup look. So I'm going to take this color right here in the ABH palette. I'm just going to be taking this because today's look is going to be a yellow look. So, I don't know about you, but for when I think of spring, I think of like pastel colors, and I don't know, yellow just spoke to me. So that's the color that I'm going to work with today. So I'm kind of taking this with this fluffy brush and kind of brushing it all over my lid, but also concentrating it like in the crease and a little bit above the crease as well. So this color isn't really like a bright color, so it's not really going to show. So I finished that one, and I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side, and then I'll be back. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette, which looks like this. I'm going to be taking the, shocker, yellow color right here, since I am doing a yellow look. I'm going to take this fluffy brush right here. I purchased this from Amazon, so it's I don't even know how to pronounce the name of it, but if you have any type of fluffy brush, I suggest you use that one. And I'm going to be taking this like in the crease. Right now I'm just kind of laying the color in there. I'm going to be taking a more precise brush in a minute so that we can really pack the color in there to get some color payoff. Okay, so this is a Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. It's less fluffier than the, yeah, it's less fluffier than the other one. So this is gonna really help to like pack that color in there. And I'm kind of like patting it in right now. Okay, so I'm going to take that big fluffy brush that I had earlier, and I'm going to go back in Golden Orchid, I think that's what it's called, and the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. And with this brush, I just lightly tapped my brush in there. I didn't really get much product because I am just going to use that. Since that was the shade that we started with, I'm going to use it just to blend out everything so that there's no harsh edges or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing right now. You don't want to have any harsh lines or anything, or actually you don't want anybody to see like where your eyeshadow begins, because yeah, that doesn't ever look cute. You want to blend the hell out of your eyeshadows. Okay, that yellow in this Armed and Gorgeous palette was not working for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this yellow that's in my Sephora Pro palette. This one right here. Yeah, for some reason that one was not working for me. Like, no matter how much I tried, it just is not taking the color. So let's try this again. Yeah, this one's definitely picking up more of the yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and pack that into my corner as well, because you just really want this intense. So just blending that into my crease, trying to intensify this yellow. Okay, so this is the best I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna go back with that fluffy brush again, that fluffy one, and just to blend out the outer part of the eyeshadow above the crease. I kind of like this. It's not real intense, like yellow, but I am digging. Okay, so with this Morphe brush, it does not have a number to it, but you can see it's like kind of flat but with a little bit of fluff to it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and I'm going to take this white shade Morphe palette that's all the way in the corner down here, and I'm going to put that in my corner, like my inner corner, kind of where you would put highlight, just to kind of like lighten it up right there. Now I'm going to grab some highlight. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Champagne Highlighter. Looks like this. Let me open this up so you guys can get a peep. Obviously mine is like super wasted. I'm going to take this small little Morphe brush, and I'm going to spray this real quick. Let me see. Spray it with some Wet n Wild. And then I'm going to take this and put it in my inner corner. You see that like little pop that it gave it? Not sure if you can tell, but I can. And I'm loving it. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process and do the same to the other side. I want my brush. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So pretty much what I went in, after I finished my makeup, I went ahead and grabbed that same yellow color from the Sephora Pro palette, and I just went ahead and put it underneath my eyes like so. That's pretty much the only color that I put underneath, just to give it more of a pop. And yep, I love how everything turned out, as you can see here. I think it screams spring vibes. Just in case anyone is wondering, I'm wearing what I'm wearing on my lips. I'm wearing the Nude Pink by NYX lip liner. Looks like this. And I went ahead and topped it with the Fenty Beauty, which one is this? Gloss Bomb. If you have not tried this, you need to try it. It's like the best lip gloss ever. It's like my all-time fave right now. So this pretty much completes my look. I hope everyone liked this video. I hope I was able to help y'all out. And I really love how it came out. I hope y'all did as well. If you did, go ahead and like this video. That lets me know what you guys are liking and what you guys aren't liking, what you're interested in. I plan on doing some more spring looks, and summer's right around the corner as well. So look out for those videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I would love for you to be part of my YouTube family. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.